has reignited the debate over the legal age to own and possess a gun. And I'm going to hold up this actual newspaper here, a piece of newsprint. An op-ed in this morning's Kenosha News makes the case for moving that threshold in Wisconsin from 18 to 21. Ben Jordan spoke to both sides on this controversial issue.
Advocates for stronger gun laws believe raising the minimum legal age to purchase and possess guns makes sense nationally because young people's brains are still developing. Meanwhile, gun rights proponents say 18-year-olds should be allowed to protect themselves. Kyle Rittenhouse's trial is sparking debate about whether young adults should have to wait until they're 21 to buy and possess a gun. The federal legal drinking age changed from 18 to 21 more than 35 years ago. And Annalisa Dickman believes it's time for age restrictions on guns to follow suit.
We know a lot more about brain development now than we have ever known before, and we know that the risk of dying from a gunshot wound is greatest between ages 17 and 21.
Annalisa is with the Brady Campaign, a national organization that advocates for stronger gun laws. She points to a Gifford Law Center study that found 18 to 20-year-olds make up just 4% of the country's population, but that same age group accounts for 17% of gun-related homicides.
After the Parkland shooting, we saw a lot of big chains like Walmart and Dick's and Kroger's make the internal decision that they won't sell to people under 21. So a law would require everyone to behave in that way.
Several states have implemented stricter laws on legal gun sales, such as Illinois and Florida, where you have to be 21 to purchase any type of gun.
I think the Kyle Rittenhouse case just shows that, people at his age still have that right to self-defense and still have the need to self-defense.
Nick Clark is the president of Wisconsin Carry, an organization dedicated to pushing for advancements in gun rights. He's strongly opposed to increasing the legal age to own a gun.
You can go to war and die for your country, but then you can't come back to your own country and own a rifle or a shotgun, and again, depending on what the actual details of a law would be. And for that reason, I think it's unrealistic.
Nick believes this proposal would have a major impact on Wisconsin hunters under the age of 21 because they wouldn't be able to purchase their gun and they would need to be supervised. Meanwhile, gun violence prevention advocates say gun possession for hunting purposes would likely not be affected. Reporting outside the Kenosha County Courthouse, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.
Ben Jordan, thank you.